Hi, good morning, second grade. Today's lesson, we're doing lesson 130. So lesson 130, and that is on page 259. 259, lesson 130. So page 259. And that's 259, page 259 in your reading workbooks, okay? So we have a remember bone, so that means it is review. We already learned this, but still you need to pay attention, okay? Here we go. We have adjectives, and adjectives, they describe nouns. So what do they do, second grade? Good, they describe nouns, okay? So we have that they answer two questions, okay? Two questions, and that is what kind, okay? Repeat after me, what kind, okay, good. And then how many, good. So what kind and how many are the two questions that adjectives ask, okay? Now, let's go ahead and do the example, the one on the book. It says, Rex lost his bone. Okay, so we know that the noun is the bone, what we're talking about, and then what kind of bone? Then they said a big bone. So our adjective is what kind? Big. Good job. And then we have this one, and then it says how many bones? How many bones? It's only one bone. Very good. So the adjective is one. This one is what kind? Big bone. How many? One bone. So one is the adjective and big is the adjective, okay? So those are the adjectives we underlined. Now, let's go ahead to number one. And it says, we can read the directions together if you'd like. It says fill in the blanks with an adjective that tells what kind or how many, okay? So on the board here I have the words, so I don't have the full sentences, okay? Don't have enough room for that, but that's okay because we are going to be putting our own adjectives there. Okay, so let's read the story together. It says, on our blank night of camping, Mom made some blank cornbread. Okay, so that's the first sentence. So we have blank night. So we have to, first of all, put an adjective here, and it has to answer either the question what? What kind or how many? Good. So any of those questions here. So we can say, what kind of night? Let's think about that. So, Zachary, think about what kind of night. Okay, very good. Maybe a starry night. Okay. And Mom made some blank cornbread. What can we put there? What kind of cornbread? Maybe some sweet cornbread. Okay. We'll put sweet, or you can put jalapeno cornbread if you like spicy stuff. And then blank pan. So blank pan. You put it in the blank pan. So what kind of pan? Maybe a hot pan. Okay, so we'll put hot. And Dad buried it in the blank coals of the fire. So what kind of coals? Yes, that's right. Coals are hot also. So we can put hot here. Or we can put very hot. We can do that also. Okay? And then number two, it says draw lines to match the number words with the number. So we have here is 80, 50, 21, and 18. So all we have to do is match the number words with the numbers, okay? So 80 will go where? You got it, the third one. Good. How about 50? Okay, good. This one? Good, that says 21. Good, goes on the top. How about that one? It says 18, good, and then we're putting it here to the second one. Good job. Okay, second grade, make sure you do that on your paper. So excellent job. Number three, you'll do by yourself, and then dictation is the sentence. Stretching the truth is not being honest. So stretching the truth is not being honest. Go ahead and spell that out. Stretching the truth is not being honest. Okay, so make sure you are spelling that. Spell that out. Stretching the truth is not being honest. Okay, second grade, so make sure you have your punctuation. Make sure you are capitalizing those letters. And then you go on to the next page. You're going to do 1 and 2 on page 260. Make sure you try your best, do your work, and have a good day.